Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am just loving this hand lettering kit from Prismacolor.
It's a premier hand lettering advanced set. So it will help you go to the next level with your illustrations, art markers, pencils, eraser, and a tip pamphlet. So you are going to get everything that you need, whether you are already into hand lettering or you're just learning. I think this kit is absolutely amazing because it has this great little tips and tricks pamphlet and such a wide variety of markers. You get these amazingly tiny markers that are just so great for illustrating. And you also get these really big ones that have awesome tips and they are dual ended. So you're not only getting this great brush tip on one end or the chisel tip, but you're also getting a fine tip on the other side. I am so excited to start my hand lettering journey, and I feel like I am super prepared because I have this amazing kit from Prismacolor. I am super happy with it.
So get everything you need to get into hand lettering all in one kit. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.